Welcome to the first module in the Colour Touch Discovery Seminar. After this module, you will be able to understand Colour Touch and how to use it with your regular clients and potentially new colour clients, and everyday services integrated into your regular service menu. We're going to share our tips on transformative toning techniques so you feel confident when toning blondes and beyond.
By the end of this seminar, you'll know exactly how to formulate creative mixtures for your client. Now you know what we're going to learn, let's get started.
Colour Touch is a demi-permanent, ammonia-free, mildly oxidative colour which is activated when mixed with Colour Touch emulsion 1.9% or 4%. From the moment you apply your colour to the hair, the process begins. Colour Touch penetrates into the cuticle layer, and this is what gives you a demi-permanent colour result. Once removed, the hair is a new colour and enriched with multifaceted shine.
So what makes Colour Touch a must-have colour brand in your salon? Hairdressers and clients love Colour Touch because of the low commitment colour is really quick and easy to apply, and it has a fast development time, so it's ideal for toning. Those clients who like to play around with different shades, refresh existing colour and to introduce a new colour to their hair. The long-lasting formula gently fades away, leaving your client with a soft regrowth. Because of this, it's ideal for those clients who want to go darker or blend away between 50 or 70% of their grey hair. Let's hear from our community of Wella hairdressers.
Let's recap on the benefits of Colour Touch. Lower commitment colour with intense results, 50 to 70% coverage or blending, low lift and soft regrowth, clients want to change their tone often, fast service time and application.